This is completely controlled by digital system.
Yes.
This switchboard is work like as computer. Okay. Now in this DLP we have 6 pages.
Yes.
You can see here, this is the first page. In first page there is 4 buttons available.
Yes.
It can control easily. We can change it next page. This is second page. We can change it page from here.
Yes.
Okay, this is second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, and there is 6 pages there. Some pages now we are using only here in 5 page. We need to more amounts. We can add it that pages also. Okay. Now this is the first page. What is mean here? There is one spotlight is there.
Spot.
Yeah. Just press. Now everything is closed. Now I am just pressing the spot. Did you see? All spot is on.
Spot now.
Yeah.
It's working.
All spotlight is on.
Yes.
I can off from here. Just press spot. Now in Arabic we want to make it. This is spot. Some people they don't know English language. They don't know Arabic.
Yeah.
They don't know Hindi. Okay. Which language they needed? We can put it here. Arabic spot. Okay.
Good.
Arabic neon. What is the meaning of in neon in Arabic? We can put it there.
Okay.
What is their language? We can put it there.
Okay.
Then just neon. We pressing.
This
The neon is on.
Yes. Change to neon light.
Yeah, neon light.
Yes.
After we can close it. Light, 2 light is on, and chandelier is on.
Yes.
What is this product?
Now number 1.
Yeah,
For light only.
for light only.
Yes.
Yeah, this number 1 page is light only. This is same like us old system. There is 4 button is there. We can on and off.
Yes.
Okay. What is our speciality for this DLP?
Okay.
Okay. I am showing this one. Now I press this light. Okay. I don't need this much bright.
Yeah.
I need dimmable light.
Yes.
Okay. How to dim? Just I hold it here.
Volume for light.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, volume. Same like as volume.
Mhm.
I can
Yes.
reduce the volume.
Yes. Yes.
Did you see? It's dimming.
Yes.
It's dimming. If you want to bright, I will press the volume more. It will bright.
Good.
Okay. This is the first stage.
Yes.
This is the first page. Okay. We can go next page.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yes.
The page is called different modes are there.
TV mode. Yes.
TV mode,
Yes.
presentation mode, play mode, goodbye, game mode. What do you need? That mode we can create there.
Yes.
This is depend upon customer.
Yeah.
Some customer they have home.
As working.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes there is in office. That's why we are putting in.
Depends on
presentation.
his work.
Yeah. Now what is the specialty of TV mode? Just press it this TV mode. What will happen?
Yes.
The curtain will be closed automatically. Just the TV mode, curtain will be
TV.
automatically. TV
Yes.
coming up and the light is dimmable.
Uh-huh.
All light will be gone, the 2 light only the dimmable.
Yes. Yes.
And what happened to next? There is some more remote is there. This
No
much
remote, yes.
Yeah, this much remote is there.
No need.
No need this one. How it's work? Now there is no power, it's below off.
Mhm.
There is some 18-watt sensor is there. It will send
Yes.
power to on here.
Yes.
I know.
Yeah. Now it's working. Screen.
هو هيشغل تلفزيون.
It will come.
هيشغل.
It will come. The TV will be on.
يعني
Every remote is worked
ازاي
automatically.
اقدر اقلب القنوات
Change channel.
Yeah, change channel also we can change from here. From computer we can change it. Now I have reduced sound and everything is I have reduced that side. It will be automatically. Sound we can control from there. Okay.
No remote for change channel.
Yeah, change the channel. Remote is in the computer.
Yes.
Same like us. It's working same like us here. If you want to put there, we can put it channel there.
Yes.
It's not a problem. It's depend upon customer.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Customer need to change channel from there. We can change it. Now in our system, we put it everything in.
This system you have remote control from this.
Yeah,
system?
yeah, of course. Remote control also.
Yes. Yes.
Now the volume I can reduce from here also.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
After this one, I want to take goodbye. Okay. Goodbye. What will happen to goodbye? I don't need this TV mode.
Goodbye
After,
to off.
Goodbye to off. What will
Goodbye
happen
to off.
Yeah, TV is off. Automatically it will be off, and it will. One second. Okay,
Mm.
the TV will be down.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry. That is okay. We can control this everything. TV down, and we can. It will be automatic. Some delays there. It will be. We can off delays there. We can control from the sensor. It's depend upon the sensor. Where is the putting the sensor? It depend upon the
Yes.
that light control. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now here there is second stage. Presentation mode.
Yes.
I want to put presentation mode.
Presentation.
Just I press it. That time.
Presentation.
Yeah, the projector will be coming from there.
Yes.
Projector coming from there, and screen coming from here.
Yes.
Screen is coming down,
This is
and
screen.
TV is automatically going to down, and the curtain. When the curtain is open, it will come automatically close.
Yes. Yes.
Every time I press presentation, it will coming same like as this one.
Yes.
Now they send IR sent to turn on the projector.
Yeah.
Now it's automatically turn on.
So let us show this.
Yeah, it's automatically. Now I can control. Sorry. Now I connected this presentation for one computer is connected to there.
Yeah.
It will work like this one. Same like us. We can show the any presentation from
Yes.
here. The computer we can put it anything.
Oh, controlling from computer.
Yeah, computer. Same
Yeah.
like as computer.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
After we don't need this presentation mode, we can
Yes.
change it this mode.
Yes.
Any mode. Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye means it will go
Yes.
up.
Goodbye mean off.
Off. All off.
Yes.
When you don't need that mode, you can press goodbye.
Okay.
After you can press it another mode.
Yes.
Yeah, the projector will be going up, and the screen also going up. The all light will be off. This is the goodbye mode. Okay. After now TV mode is over, presentation mode is over. What is mean by play? I press the play mode. What will happen?
Play mode.
Yeah. In anywhere the projector will be down.
Yes.
Our TV automatically coming up.
Mm.
Yeah, it's before there is the here is not set. Only the small problem. I can make it that. Yeah, okay. Now this is the play mode.
Yes.
Play mode we can put in some games here, and all light will be on. Which one we need, we can
Yes.
put
Great.
that
Great.
PlayStation or any games station. We can put it playing here,
Great.
and we can control it.
Great. Great.
And now the projector is here. I want to turn off this one. I can control from here. There is TV power is there. Sometimes it's TV power problem is there. It's not sensing. I can press it here. It will be off.
Yes.
It's very simple. The same like us our remote button. Now I press again. It will be on.
Yes.
When sometime we need the power of this one, we can press it from here. Okay.
Very good. I want you to put on now the video.
Okay. And each part
You
we
not
can.
finish until now?
No, that is the last page.
What the last
Fourth
bit?
page.
The plasma?
Plasma, it's
screen.
screen, the
The
curtains,
curtains, each
yeah,
of.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
And the AC module I did.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Which one is-